Karai paneer is a simple yet amazingly flavorful paneer recipe made by cooking paneer and bell peppers with fresh ground spices known as karai masala. It is one of the most popular paneer recipes. Hello viewers, myself Suparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, take 2 teaspoons of white oil into a pan. When the oil is hot enough, add diced onion and diced capsicum. Saute for a minute on medium to high flame. I took green bell peppers only. If you like, you can take red and yellow bell peppers also. Now add diced tomatoes. Give a quick stir. Add fresh paneer cubes. As you can see, these are light bigger pieces of paneer. Lightly saute the paneers with the vegetables, as paneers are very soft so they can break or smash. Paneer is a vegetarian source of protein. It's very good for digestion, for heart health and loss weight. Sprinkle some salt. Add 2 teaspoons of karai masala. Mix all the vegetables and paneers with the masala. Saute them for 2 minutes. If possible, use fresh paneers to make this dish. Set aside. Now take 2 teaspoons of white oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Temper the oil with 1 piece of bay leaf, 1 piece of dry red chili. Saute them little. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Fry the onions well. Fry them till they are light brown. Onions are well fried as I need for this recipe. I'll add now 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of ginger paste. Fry them little with the onions. It is called as karai paneer since it's cooked in a karai and Indian oak. However, this dish can be prepared without a karai just like the way I cooked it in a regular pan. After 2 minutes, add tomato puree. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. 3 essential ingredients added to karai paneer are onions, green bell peppers and tomatoes. Cook the tomato for 5 minutes. So now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and salt to taste. But remember, we add salt before while we stir fry the veggies and paneers. Give a mix. Karai paneer is one of the most easy to prepare yet delicious paneer recipe. You can make it at times when you have unexpected guests or you are too tired but you have some craving to eat delicious. Now add little water to cook the spices. Now add 3 teaspoons of karai masala. I'll give the link of karai masala in the description box. My recommendation to use freshly made karai masala. You can see the masalas have cooked well, so add the previously stir fried paneer and veggies. Mix them gently with the spice mixture. Bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C and potassium. It is also a content of healthy dose of fiber, folate and iron. It's also low in calories. At this time, I'll add water to make the semi-dry gravy. Mix them. The semi-dry version of karai paneer tastes excellent with naan and roti. The gravy version can be had with some steamed rice or pulao. And cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi powder and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give a mix. This Kadhi Paneer recipe gets its unique flavors from freshly ground masala. The coriander seeds and dried red chilies are the main ingredients of Kadhi masala. The addition of fresh spices makes this dish super flavorful, and Kadhi Paneer is ready. This dish is amazingly tasty and super easy to make. Serve this dish with roti, naan and paratha. That's it for today's video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Share our videos with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel. Leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.